Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you the Lil'Red Express. Pretty original truck. There you can see it's got the original grill surround, bumper. Bumper could be, I'd say that's probably original too. It's had a repaint at one time, I believe. All the stickers look good and everything. 360 in them, of course. I thought it had I think that's paint line. Yep, it has. So there's your stickers, there's pictures of the underneath. We did redo this side of the seat at one time, but got the original seat in it. There you can see 12,686, so I assume 112,686, but most of the, besides repairing that seat, pretty original inside. I'm guessing somebody probably refinished the wood grain. All looks good. Like I said, paint looks good on it. Really not a lot of flaws there. Bed showing its original bed, still showing a little age up front there. But you can see the inside of the box hasn't been repainted, got some scratches and stuff. But nice truck. Really isn't any rust on the cab corners or anything. You can see it's pretty clean. So if you're looking for a nice little Red Express, as I showed in my running video, and I'll also tell you, and it'll be in my description, thermoquad's still on there, the original carburetor. They weren't very good carburetors from day one, so something you may want to take care of. That and getting the wheels re-chromed is about the one thing I know it needs. So, but nice truck, looks good, no issues. As most everything works except for the horn. So 605-695-7391.